Let's do a quick review of Acssart.com, a site that claims to sell auto-detailing products like plastic restorer and crystal coatings. But with complaints stacking up online, is Acssart a scam or is it legit? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and public research. I'm not affiliated with Acssart or any competitors. Acssart's website looks clean and professional. They market products like plastic cream restorers, coatings, and car waxes, with big claims of showroom level results. The site offers flashy videos, before and after shots, and limited time discounts that push for impulse buys. But when you dig deeper, the red flags start popping up. On Trustpilot, Acssart holds a 2.6-star rating with just 6 reviews, and almost all of them are negative. Here's a quick rundown. Never received my order, no replies to emails, it's just soapy water in a bottle, complete scam, product never arrived, plastic restorer, or like water in a bottle. Several reviewers also mentioned being scammed in connection with another company called Uni, possibly a fulfillment partner. Acssart.com looks polished, but based on user experiences, it's likely not a trustworthy store. Products are being described as fake, deliveries aren't arriving, and there's zero customer support. That's a huge red flag. Final call, avoid Acssart. There are better verified options for car detailing products that won't risk your money. If you've ordered from Acssart, let us know your experience in the comments. Like and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. And stay safe out there online.